Hello everyone. Welcome to my blockchain and Web3 series. I am going to give you a practical knowledge and experience regarding Web3 and blockchain. I will give you some exercise. You can do it by yourself as well. And also you can just follow my videos and practice. Today I am going to work on a small exercise in which we are going to connect with our wallet and we will show the available balance in our wallet. So what would be the goal? We will create a small local decentralized app. We will connect this app to our MetaMask platform and then we will show the account and balance in our decentralized app, dApp. What we have to do for that? We need to install Node.js. If you haven't, you can install it in your machine. If it is a window, you can download the setup, and if it's a Linux, you can simply write some command to install that. You need to install the MetaMask extension in your browser and create a wallet. Install VS Code. If you're comfortable with that, you can use other editor as well. And then what you need to do is you just have to create a project. In that project, you will create index.html and create a main.js file. I will provide you these files right after the tutorial. You can access that through the comment section, or I will give you the GitHub link as well, so you can directly download it from there. Also, we are going to use White local server for testing our dApp. So we will install White. Let's do it step by step together and learn how we can work with blockchain and Web3. First of all, just install the MetaMask app in your browser. Like this, you can discover and the portfolio will come like this. Now we need some network for this as well. In the MetaMask extension, you need to enable Sepola ETH network as well. So what we have to do for that, just click on top right 3 lines and then go to the setting, and in the setting go to advanced and scroll down. You can see show the test networks. Just make this button on and then we can use Sepolia test network for our development purposes. So when you have enabled this, we can see this network, test network on Etherscan. Just go to etherscan.io and you can see your testnet over here. Just copy your address. This is your address. Just copy this and paste it over here. And you can see the available balance is 0 and this is just a test network. ETH balance, Ethereum balance here as well. That is basically for testing purpose. How we can get that, I will cover that in our next video. Now what we have to do, go to your editor, create a project. I have created a Web3 project here. This project has index.html and main.js. So what we have to do, in the index.html, I have just write 3 fields over here, and there will be just a button that will check if our dApp is connected to our MetaMask or wallet. So in the main.js, you can see we have used ethers version 3 library and we have a connect button. We have 3 fields that can be a text field or the input field as well to show the balance over here. Here we have isSync function that we connect our dApp with MetaMask platform, and then we have browser provider that will give us the functionality to access the Ethereum functions and then here Ethereum will be checked if the account is connected. If it is connected, then it will bring the chain information and balance of the Ethereum. So the provider will call the get network function, get balance function, and it will simply make these value available on our dApp. We will just run this npm run dev. So it will use white web server, and we can just click on this. You can see we have a small dApp. It's just a simple index.html page. It has a heading, connect wallet and show balance, and we will just click on this. It will prompt the extension to be connected with our app, and I will just call it as connect. And you can see this is my address of the wallet, this is my chain ID, and this is the available Ethereum balance. So this is simple web page, and the task was just to connect with the balance and show the balance. So this is the start of the Web3 series, in which you are just going to connect with the available wallet. So just install the extension MetaMask, create an account on that, create a wallet on that, and then just use that wallet in your script. In this way you can create this app with your wallets. Thank you. If you have any question, just drop a message in the comment section. I will respond. Hope you have learned and enjoyed the process. Thank you.